Hey guys, welcome back. This is Anya. There have many customers asked how is the internal resistance for before laser welding standard and after laser welding standard. So this video I will tell you guys more about it. To be more accurate this testing, we will choose one cell that is before laser welding test and after laser welding test. Let's see the details and if you are interested in it. Let's go. Okay, firstly we will choose the brand new of the internal resistance tester, which is our old friend. You can see for this one, the voltage is 3.6 and the internal resistance before laser welding is 0.39 milliohm. Okay, let's take this piece of cell to do the laser welding and to see the details. 阿根帮我测一下这帮我转一下这个。This laser welding is 3000 watt-hour. Okay, now let's test this one. When we put our bus bar, our contact area is also here. So when we test the internal resistance, it's better to put on here. Okay, 再来试一下. If our testing pen at this point, you will see after laser welding, the internal resistance will increase 0.2. 你再放一下这里。Yes, this will increase to 0.2 to 0. And if we put the testing pen at here, 你再放这里。At the iron, 没有，这下面。At the standard, then you will see the internal resistance is increased to 1 milliohm. So the correct testing is at this place. 你再测一下这里。It's this place. 不是，就是这个地方。对。Because this place is when you put your bus bar to contact area, it is accurate internal resistance 0.4. Okay. So did you catch what I mean?
Before laser welding, the internal resistance is 0.39 milliohm, but after laser welding, the internal resistance increased to 0.4 milliohm, but the voltage is no difference.